expressions. When there is fire, you say adap war. If you are traveling and you're on your station, you say para. In Ilocano, I love you is ay ayatin ka. When pertaining to something, I love it is kayat mo dayta. In Ilocano, I hate you is madika kayat. I hate it, madya ka dayta. It's beautiful, napintas daytoy. Napintas, beautiful, and the object you are pertaining to is daytoy. That's all for expressions. Just Agnina, bye-bye!